Good morning, traders, and welcome to the weekly Elliott Wave update from Elliott Wave Street. I'm Juan Maldonado, and it's a pleasure to be with you today to start the week with the best energy and the best wave count. I want to share with you the results of the trading ideas that I share on with my clients every day. So let me tell you something. 4 weeks ago, I started a new methodology with my same strategy. However, I did a change on the entry that I have been testing for months, and I decided to launch this new strategy the second week of May. And here are the results just on the Forex pairs. I'm also sharing on the futures the entries like the S&P. I'm also sharing these on the individual stocks. So you have trades for all the markets. Now, these are the results just 4 weeks, and we did 1,081 pips in a little bit less than 4 weeks with the trades. But my plan with this is not to show you that I'm good that I'm a good trader, that I'm making good pips. My plan is to teach you how to do this thing. That's my plan, because that's why we have an educational website to show you how to use the trades, how to use the wave counts. So once you take the membership, you're going to have access to the to the Telegram channel, and you will receive all my trades immediately there. So I like to share my live trades because I think that's really important. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to sign up for the trial. But now let's have a look at the euro. So on the euro today in the morning, I went long at the 112.85. 112.85. So I'm long on the euro. I leave my stop loss right here, and soon I'm going to start tightening the stop loss because I'm really conservative with my trades, and the minimum target is the previous high. Now, let's have a look at the daily chart, because you can see that I have a wave 2 over here. The meaning of having a wave 2 over here is that the price will go up and then will go down, because the price action it's going to follow what I draw in my chart? Not, of course not. Be careful with that conclusion about the Elliott wave theory, because it will be completely wrong. The price right now is up, is bullish, so I just bought the euro, right? Now, I'm going to sell the euro right here? Of course not. What I'm going to do is to manage my trade. I'm going to see the momentum. And the only thing that is going to make me sell the euro will be if I have a 5 down and a 3 up. That will be the only thing. If I have a 5-wave sequence down with a 3-wave sequence up, this will be my wave 1, this will be my wave 2, then I'm going to sell it here. In the meantime, I can try to buy here or buy here to have a couple of losses, because I'm not going to know that that's going to be a 5-wave sequence until I see it, and from there I'm going to sell. So only if this setup happens I'm going to sell. If not, I'm going to continue buying, and the price can go above this high and I can change the wave count, but I'm making money. So I'm using the wave count to make money anyway. And if the euro is able to make that higher high, then we'll be doing this expanding horrible thing, and it's possible. And we can go to the 115, 116. I'm going to hold my trade that I took at the 112.85, so I will be making money. Well, I adjust my wave count because it didn't validate. I'm going to talk more about validations on the S&P. So I bought the euro. I also bought the euro yen. I'm not too sure about this trade, but I have a tiny stop loss over here because I bought it at the 123.48. So here higher, and the dollar yen today is pretty weak. So, and we have a strong euro dollar. So it's now I'm having some concerns about my trade. I have the stop loss just below the low. And let's see. This is one of those trades that you take and then you think, oh, maybe it wasn't a good idea. But anyway, I'm gonna hold it, I'm gonna see how it works, and if the price takes me out, I'm gonna retrigger during the week because I think we are going up to the previous high. So waiting to see if this is the reversal or not. I think it is. However, I have some concerns. But anyway, it's a small stop loss, just around 20 pips, so it will be fine. Now, let's have a look at the S&P. The S&P, this is a weekly chart. So what I have been doing with my clients is to create these levels: 3,100, 3,200, 300, and 400. All right. So before, I was bearish on the S&P. I was bearish since here. From there, I noticed that the S&P was going up. So look, the Elliott wave count that I have before was telling that from here we were going to have a lower low. However, it never validated. What a validation means? A 5-wave sequence and a 3-wave sequence up. So I never take a short trade. But once I noticed that the S&P wasn't going down, I did it from here. I didn't find it from here. All right? I didn't find it from there. I found it from here that we were going up. So look all the points that we have been making. So we fill up these 100 points. We fill up these 100 points, and I think we're going to fill up these 100 points this week, and maybe we are going to the previous high. Well, once we are there, we have to be more careful. It will be a resistance. Not sure if it's going to break out and continue. If it does, fantastic. We are going to hold a trade. If not, we are going to get ready for a retrace and then buy again. I don't know if that's going to happen like that or in another way, but what I know with a high probability is that this week we are going to the 3,300 and maybe the 3,400. Why not? I'm looking for another green bar, green candle this week. I'm extremely bullish on the S&P. When we go to the daily chart, or the 4-hour chart, before I show you my wave count inside, there is something interesting here. So some people were seeing a wedge, and were saying, hey, be careful, the S&P might be wedging. And a wedge means that we are going down because it's losing momentum. It's true, but only when it validates the wedge. So in case that we have a red bar over here with a nice 5-wave sequence inside and a 3 up, that I will say, oh, I want to sell the S&P under that wedge. But look, the actual, we have a bullish breakout of the wedge. So it's not a wedge. It's not a bearish wedge at all. It's a bullish thing as expected in terms of the wave count. And look at this beautiful thing gaining more momentum. And I think we're going to continue higher. All right, traders. So if you want to receive my trades, look again, the results from the last 4 weeks is a new methodology that is working fantastic. The losses are really small, really small. Look at the losses are really small. The gains are really big. So if you want to see these trades in action, are educational trades. The plan is that you learn, all right? It's my plan to teach you on the live markets how to trade. So you can see my live analysis by visiting ElliottWaveStreet.com. Click on the membership tab, and here you're going to see all the details. I have 3 plans. I have for the Forex, for the stocks, or the full access. Also, I have, you can add the forum access here at the bottom if you want everything above, plus the forum access to ask questions, to participate in the forum. So you can add the forum level. And here you can see all the instruments that I cover. And if you want to learn my technique, you should go to the education tab. And there you will find my course. If you want to learn from scratch how to make the wave counts, if you want to learn my strategy, the Cyclone Revolution, that is the strategy that I use to find the trades, so you can go there. All right, traders, please have a great week. I'll see you in the membership. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.